Hey everybody, it is Jen in Canada, and here is the menu plan for November 4th to 10th. So here we have it. So today is Monday. I have Bible study tonight, so I'm doing a quick meal that I can eat and then my family can eat later. So we're having burgers, fries, and coleslaw. Nothing too fancy with that. We got the stuff in the freezer, so let's eat it. So on Tuesday, since Rowan is at school, it'll just me, Daddy, and Abby. We're gonna have shrimp. So grab garlic shrimp and fettuccine. So not they didn't want Alfredo sauce, so I'm just literally doing garlic shrimp and putting on fettuccine. And we're gonna have a salad with that. Wednesday we have a bunch of leftover bits of vegetables that like cabbage and stuff like that, and little bits of meats. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make an Asian rice bowl. So I'm going to shred up the cabbage. I'm going to cook up some rice, and we're going to go and shred the bits of meats that I have. I have a little bit of beef and a little bit of chicken that was in the freezer. I believe there's like one piece. So I'm going to chop them up and shred them or whatever, put them in some marinade, and have them in bowls. And people can pick what they want. There's also probably going to be some leftover shrimp, so they can have that as well. Thursday. So on the weekend, I also cooked up on Saturday a roast beef, but not to be eaten on Saturday, but to be eaten later on in the week. So we're gonna heat up that roast beef. I'm gonna make fresh mashed potatoes and have some corn and some gravy, and whatever else they want. If there's any leftovers. So, and on Friday, I know they're going to be leftover beef from the roast beef. So I'm going to make a beef fried rice with it, with some spring rolls. As everybody loves spring rolls. They're just frozen ones that I get at the store. So nothing too crazy or fancy either. Saturday. So Jeff is going away to the Maritimes for 2 weeks for work. So his favorite thing is big breakfast. He loves his bacon. So I'm going to cook up lots and lots and lots of bacon. Going to do poached eggs. Going to do homemade hash browns with a bit of the bacon grease and onions. And going to make toast. And I'm going to make a French toast casserole bake as well. So we're going to have a big breakfast and eat lots of food around lunchtime. So we don't, because Jeff doesn't wake up early. So we have big breakfast around lunchtime, so it's brunch. And then for the evening, depending on how the weather is and how everybody's feeling, because he also is trying to get things ready to go, because he's going to be away from work away from here and work for 2 weeks. We'll either order out either like fajitas or Chinese, or we'll go out for Chinese. Just because that is what he likes. And then Sunday, I'm going to make a corned beef hash because my husband has been asking for it. And I know I'll make extra mashed potatoes up here so we can have it for here. And it's just really simple. Mashed potatoes, corned beef, onions, ta-da. That's it. And then we'll have separate nanas. She was thinking of ordering out for Thai or Chinese food. Just so, because my sister-in-law broke her leg and stuff, so she's not really up to doing much, and my mother-in-law wants to, probably order out, because then there's less work for her to do, even though I've offered to help or come early and do some cooking and stuff like that, but I usually just help out at the other end and help with the cleanup and stuff. So that is the plan for this week. Seems to be quite heavy with beef, though, as I'm just looking at it right now. I'm like, we have beef, shrimp, leftover, so there might be beef and chicken in there. Beef. So very, very heavy on beef this week. Next week, I'm going to do some vegetarian meals. Daddy's going to be gone, so I'm going to do probably a lentil soup or something, a curry multigani soup, but we'll see. because I know my kids love curry, so we're going to have curry next week. So, it all evens out. So, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And comment below, what's your favorite meal of this recipe? Or what's your favorite meal in general? Do you tend to have a big breakfast on the weekend and have it like brunch? Or do you have breakfast for dinner? My family is okay with it once in a while, but they're not big fans for it for dinner, but they do love it for lunch. So, have a great day, friends. Bye!